Vivo just launched their newest mid-range lineup, the V25 series. 3 devices were added to their V portfolio, namely the V25e, V25, and the V25 Pro. We have in hand today is the V25e. Now, let's do the unboxing. We have here the box in silver. Inside is a phone with 8GB of RAM plus 256GB capacity and in sunrise gold color. As you open the box, you see the phone wrapped in a beautiful plastic. In this box, they included a free clear case, some documentation and warranty card, 44-watt fast charge power brick, wired earbuds, the SIM ejector pin, USB-A to USB-C cable, USB-C to 3.5mm jack adapter. We have here the V25e in sunrise gold color. Like the trends we see on the phones recently, Vivo V25e has adopted the flat-sided design with a matte finish, allowing a better grip. On the right side, you'll see the volume buttons and the power button. On the top, there's a microphone hole, while on the bottom, you can see the nano hybrid SIM slot, USB-C slot, and a speaker grill. Actually, I really like what we have here. As you tilt the phone, the color of the back panel changes. We experimented with photochromic 2.0 technology to test if the color actually changes under the direct sunlight by placing a 20 peso coin on the top of the panel. A few minutes later, removing the coin reveals the original color and its drastic difference. According to Vivo, it took them 3 years to perfect the effect and trendy design. I must say, it's well done. The back panel is made of fluorite AG glass. It won't attract fingerprints and smudges. Hopping to the trend continues with this huge protruding camera bump which houses the camera setup and the flash. Speaking of camera, Vivo V25e touts a 64MP ultra sensing main camera, 2MP depth camera, and 2MP micro camera. Expect more stabilized video shots and improved night portraits because it has a hybrid image stabilization which utilizes both the electronic and optical image stabilization. This combo will give you non-blurry night shots, making it a night portrait master. In front, you'll be greeted with a 32MP selfie camera for high-definition selfies which allows you to zoom in and zoom out. There's also 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with an adaptive 90Hz refresh rate, offering you vibrant colors and fluid motion. Inside, there's an 8GB RAM which can be extended virtually up to an additional 8GB, and there is also 256GB of storage which can be expanded through a micro SD card. Vivo V25e is powered by MediaTek Helio G99, which is made based on the TSMC 6nm process, making it smaller in size, more power efficient, yet packs performance. You also don't have to worry about thermal problems because V25e provides its liquid cooling system. Upon the initial testing from the day I received this phone, it lasted almost 2 days. A huge plus point, but in case you run out of juice, you can make use of its 44-watt fast charging capability. So here you go, here's the unboxing and our initial impressions of V25e. There's still much to be said about this device, so watch out for our full review coming out soon on our website. Again, this is JR Grate of wallacetech.com, and we'll see you in the next one.